Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will give you a tip that save your power button. Okay, whenever you press the power button, will be turn off the display and turn on the display, or lock your phone and try to unlock your phone. And you can simply save your power button by pressing the screen double tap to turn on and turn off. Okay, how to activate this? Simply open your settings, then you can simply search wake. Okay, wake, then you can find up double tap to wake screen, double tap to wake or turn off the screen. So you can simply search wake, or you can search double tap, or you can search for rise to wake up, anything. Okay, but actually now we are checking on double tap to wake or turn off the screen. So it is turned on. Now we are testing that. Simply go to the home page, then double tap. Yeah, it's turned off, and now double tap, it is turned on, then enter your key. So in this way you can simply unlock your phone. Okay, and you save your power button. So that's, guys, everyone try this with your phone. It is much helpful, because you can see here this is 2019 OnePlus 7 device, but still working with my 2026, and power button is still working because of I'm using that technique. So that's, guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.